Hi everyone, I'm Olivia, a fervent yet thrift garden lover, and today I'm gonna share some of my tips about how to save money for your plants. Rule number 1. Do an early spring shopping. In early spring times, there are more varieties of plants to choose from. The bulbs are fresh and lively and more hydrated, which means once you plant it, it will be more likely to sprout. The roses are dormant, and they are bare root roses, which means they are much cheaper than buy the rose plants several months later. Rule number 2. Buy roots, bulbs, and seeds, which means buy the plants in their original form. Why is that? Because they are much cheaper than buy the mature plants. Rule number 2.5. I don't call it a rule number 3 because buy bare root roses are still part of the rule number 2, which is buy roots and bulbs and seeds. However, bare root roses are a little bit different from the rule number 2, as bare root roses are plants. However, they simply do not have leaves and they are dormant. Rule number 3. Buy perennial plants, not annual plants. The reason is obvious. For annual plants, next year it will be dead and you have to buy it again, which means spending money again. Rule number 4. Buy from the discount section in the garden center. The withered and after flower plants are usually found in the discount section. These flowers simply do not look good, but they can be flower again next year. Lily is a good example. There are often times you can find overstock clearance and seasonal sale events. These events are good to find and buy discount plants. Rule number 5. Buy or exchange plants with friends and families. If you have a plant A and your friend has a plant B, you can simply swap plants with each other. Rule number 6. Create or clone a plant by your own. This is the most fun way to create your own plant. But be careful of the legal issue, as some plants do have patents on them. Can you think of any other methods? Share your comments below, and let's save money together. Thank you for watching.